What's up everyone, and welcome back to another Tech Quickie, where today we are going to discuss HTTP, HTTPS, and the difference between the two. First, let's kick off with HTTP. So HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and as stated on Mozilla, HTTP is an application layer protocol for transmitting hypermedia documents, such as HTML. It was designed for communication between web browsers and web servers. So what that means is it lets you interact with web resources like HTML files, and it transmits hypertext messages between clients and servers. Now, HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. And what that means is that it is an extension of HTTP that uses an encryption protocol to encrypt communications. This protocol secures communications by using what's known as an asymmetric public key infrastructure, which uses these two keys to encrypt communication. First, we have the private key. This is for the owner of the website. It is kept on a web server and is used to decrypt information that is encrypted by our next key, the public key. The public key is the key that takes information and encrypts it. Then it gets decrypted by our first key, the private key. So, HTTP is a non-secure version, and HTTPS is HTTP with security. This is for when you are dealing with websites that should be secure, like websites that have logins, for example. Not to mention, browsers like Google Chrome will mark each one differently. If you just use HTTP, then the browser will not have a secure tag on it. Remember, security matters, especially if you're going to have a website that has private information on it. Well, that's it for us. I hope you have a wonderful day, and until next time, happy coding.